5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. We love you po. Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. Ingat ka po palagi. God bless you.
Hi, Ma'am Shi. Happy birthday. Thank you for always making us beautiful and taking care of us. I hope you enjoy this day and wish you all the best in your special day. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Shi.
Hi, Shi. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good luck sa mga incoming classes mo. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. Thank you po sa pag-makeup sa amin. And happy birthday po. At sana maging masaya po ang birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Hello, Shi. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Ingat ka lagi. Good luck.
Hi, Shi. Happy birthday. I just wanna say thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Paggabay at pagmamahal, thank you so much, Shi. Wala yung mga achievements ko kundi dahil sa'yo. Thank you po. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, Shi. Mwah.
Hi, Ma'am Shi. Happy birthday po. And wish you all the best. And thank you po sa onting pagsasama natin and for welcoming me as a new member sa Starface mo. And I really appreciate it. And I hope na mag-guest pa po ako sa mga events ng Starface. And I'm gonna be the supporter po and happy birthday po, Ma'am Shi. I love you po. Miss you so much.
Hi, Ma'am Shi. Happy birthday po. I hope you enjoy your special day po. More candles to blow po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Shi. Wishing you a good health and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi! Thank you for being your SFM model for more than 2 years. I'm grateful and thankful for added 1 year of existence and wishing you more candles to blow po. Happy birthday!
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday nga po pala sa'yo. Tungkol sa lahat, gusto ko lang magpasalamat dahil tumayo ka bilang pangalawang ina ko. At salamat din sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga sa akin. Nang dahil sa'yo, nagkaroon ako ng mataas na kumpiyansa sa sarili. At sana marami ka pang matulungan na kabataan na katulad ko na ipakita kung ano yung mga kakayahan na meron sila. Kaya lagi ka pong mag-iingat, alagaan mo yung sarili mo, at alam ko na marami pang blessings na darating sa'yo. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit, Nay. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Hi, Ma'am Shi! Happy birthday and I miss you. Mwah.
Hi, Shi. Happy birthday. We love you.
Hi, Ma'am Shi! Happy birthday! More blessings and more years to come pa po. And thank you po sa pag-aalaga sa akin. Simula na nag-start po ako ng Starface. Start with 2020 up until now na nag-work na po ako. Thank you po. And also, thank you din po na nakasama po ako sa mga taping. Naranasan ko po yung mag-taping because of me po, Ma'am Shi. Kaya, Ma'am Shi, I wish you all the best. More blessings to come. And enjoy your day. God bless po.
Hi, Ma'am Shi. Happy birthday po. And God bless. More birthday to come. And wish you all the best po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pag-aalaga po sa aming mga anak Shi mo. And mahal ka po namin mga anak Shi mo.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi! We love you and thank you for everything. God bless po!
Hello, Ma'am Shi! Happy birthday! Thank you for everything. Sana lagi kang healthy and bawas-bawasan din po yung pag-inom na ko. Para sa healthy niya din po. I love you po.
Hi sa best manager, handler, and makeup artist namin. Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. Thank you sa laging pagsama sa amin sa mga taping, sa guesting, sa pag-support sa amin. Ingat ka always. We love you.
Ma'am Shi, happy birthday po. I love you so much. Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. I love you so much. Hi, Ma'am Shi. Happy birthday. I'm so glad I met you. More birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday, Shi. Thank you sa pag-guide sa amin bilang handler and manager ng Star Praise Models INC. More birthdays to come.
So, hi, Shi. Happy birthday. And just want to say that thank you for everything. Thank you for organizing. And thank you for guiding me and for giving us exposure to people. And may God bless you well. Happy birthday, Shi. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. Wishing you more years to celebrate po. Thank you po sa lahat and a happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. I wish you good health. Thank you for being my handler and always stay safe po.
Blessed birthday, Shi. May God give you the strength and wisdom to smoothly surmount all the challenges life brings you. Stay blessed and enjoy your day to the fullest.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. I love you.
Hi, Ma'am Shi. Happy birthday. Stay fit and healthy.
Hi, Shi. Happy birthday. Tanggap mo naman na mas maganda ako sa'yo. Love you.